Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one's from Craft Penguin Planner. I am so excited. Look, I haven't even opened it because I wanted to open it with you because I know what's in here and I can't wait. I can't wait. I got this during the TPC sale, so I ordered something that was like personal, so I'm pretty excited about it. So you're going to have to catch her. I think she'll be in the next TPC sale as well. But do not quote me on that. And it says, I love this little panda bear. It says, your order made me do a happy dance. Well, it is making me do a happy dance, girl, while I'm opening it. So, y'all know I have trouble with these, right? Let me open it for you. I mean, they always do. Love your order, leave us a review. Girlfriend, I'm leaving you a whole video because I love your stuff. Okay, so there's one thing I want to show you last, so I want to make sure. Okay, there it is. I can't wait. Okay, sorry. Very excited. So, because it was during the TPC sale, there was some free samplers, but this is Craft Penguin Planners. All her information. Jennifer is awesome. Can I say it again? Awesome to work with. She is so patient. She loves doing like bid emojis for you, and she's so patient. She sends you them back before you buy them. Oh, she's just wonderful. So Jennifer, you are one of my top owners. I swear, I love you. So this is her information. And then this was the January TPC exclusive sampler, which is adorable. It has the stars, happy everything, coffee, bow, like the blower. Sale begins at 11. This is the other thing I love about her. She gives you the sale dates and the sale times. The next TPC sale is February 7th through 11th, so y'all mark your calendars. Cannot wait. All right, and then this was Hello Weekend. Look at the little penguins, so cute. No spend, which I probably never get to use because I always spend. And look at these cuties right here. And it says, I love you on the envelope. Didn't have my glasses. So happy everything, yes, this makes me happy everything. And then I am assuming this is the baggie that you get. So I got a baggie of samplers because I ordered within a certain amount of time, probably. So this one was Beyond Paper Flowers. Hello Happiness Co. Very cute. It's time to celebrate. Next TPC is February 7th through the 11th. This is Keep It Simple stickers. Perfect Prints Co. Yay, Cheerful Planner Girl. I also PR for her. Playing with Pizzazz. Taryn Sticker Shop. I love her shop too, and she knows it. I'm addicted to all of her foil. And it says Celebrate Birthday Dream Party and Wish. I love this. And then this is another one I PR for. This is So Cute Planner. And she has Mello doing happy birthday, giving you like a cake, present, party time, and make a wish. And she also has the date too. So exciting. I love all of that. And then this is Sarah's sampler. It says, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow, weekend banner. And then all the pretties. This is a beautiful sampler. And then it has use CPPS Sarah 20 for 20% off. So awesomeness. Okay, and then this is what I ordered. I ordered Cleaning Day script. Isn't that script beautiful, y'all? And it's just perfect enough for like my personal wide planner because there's not as much room. Now look at these. I'm excited about these. These are the gold paws that I ordered. And I ordered these for my son because he's a bear cat and their colors are garnet black and gold. So I'm going to use the gold paw for any time he has a wrestling match or a football match or a football game, excuse me. So they're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Then I got for Christmas I got the new prayer planner, or prayerful planner or something like that, I think is what it's called. And so I ordered these so that I could put these in my planner for that. And it's just prayer list. And I ordered them in the silver and in the gold. Are those not beautiful? That's something beautiful to be able to write your prayers on, your prayer requests. Okay, and then I got these. They're just quotes. It says, a goal without a plan is just a wish, and that's the whole line. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. I can and I will. I really needed these because of my self-esteem issues are kind of right now. You got this. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. You got this, and then one of everything on this last row. So she gives you a lot, and it's done in silver. Then I got these, and these are also done in silver, and I figured I could use these in my prayer planner. It says, we walk by faith, not by sight. Let faith be bigger than fear. Feed your faith and your fears will starve to death. Oh my God, I love that. That's going to make me cry. Sorry. Your faith can move mountains and doubt can create them. We walk by faith, not by sight. Let go and let God. Amen. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Faith in God includes faith in his timing. Worry ends when God's faith in God begins, And then I think it just repeats itself. So I will be ordering these again because evidently I really need them if I'm sitting here crying while I'm reading them out loud. And then this is the one that I'm so excited about, that she was a blessing for me. I own a salon called Reflections. I just opened it. And I track my work schedule. And I thought, what better way with one of her Bitmoji labels? And so I inboxed her and I asked her, I said, can you make me, instead of address labels, can you make me work labels? And she said, absolutely. And look what she did. Are those not the best thing in the whole entire world? Because my salon's name is Reflections, she has reflections up at the top, and then she got work -to-. I am in love with these. I told her, I said, I hope you keep everything that you make on file because I will definitely be ordering these again. And I fell in love with them so much, I got 4 of them. Y'all, she is phenomenal. I can't tell you enough. I don't PR for her. So all of this is coming straight from my heart. So you need to definitely go check her out. She is in the TPC sale. And again, she is phenomenal. I love everything she does. I've ordered from her before, and she has never been a disappointment to me. She is fantastic. All right, so go check out Craft Penguin Planner. Get one of her PR girls, and I hope to see you back here real soon. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram so that you know when companies like these have their sales. I promote. I'm a big promoter of companies and want to see them succeed. So I will talk with you later, and bye-bye.